Hello, my name is Bonita Smith,
And I'm Booker.
and we hired Tidied by Kay to help organize our house. My mother had recently passed, and I had so much of her things that I needed to assimilate into my house. And she was always on time, very professional. She did an excellent job. She really exceeded our expectation. We needed our basement done. We needed our pantry and our kitchen redone. We needed our whole kitchen done. We needed our office redone. She came in and organized our rec area in our basement. She did a lot of work, and we are so very pleased with her work.
Yeah, all your drawers are totally in order. I mean, actually, my tools. I had my tools all over the floor. I mean, she organized my tools. I can find anything I want now. All my screws are in order and everything. She is fantastic.
She is.
Yeah.
Yes. And we just thank her, and we feel so much better because the house is in order.
Indeed. Woo, woo, woo.